Hey, this is Dr. Jasmine. Surya Namaskara or Sun Salutation is a beautiful yoga practice made of 12 steps or 12 asanas. To make the practice simple and clear, I have divided this video into 4 rounds. You can see the timestamps on the screen and also in the description below. The first round is to see and learn the poses or asana. Second round is to know the common mistakes that we make in every step and to try and avoid them. Third round is all about the proper breathing practice because yoga is all about right breathing. The fourth and the last round is to learn the names of the poses. It's always good to know the names of the poses so that we can correlate and remember.
If you're looking for something that's quick, simple and effective, then Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is the best practice for you. It works on every joint, muscles, flexibility, and if practiced in the right way with proper breathing, it helps you provide sufficient oxygen to all the cells in the body. Surya Namaskara can be practiced by everyone. It doesn't have any age restriction. But people with hypertension and low back pain, please be careful while practicing. It's better to avoid few steps. And if you have had recent surgeries or joint pains, then do not practice Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara is best practiced early in the morning, but it doesn't mean that you can't practice it in the evening. So ready to go?
Round 1. 12-step Surya Namaskar. Before we start the practice, let's all stand at the edge of the yoga mat as it gives us enough space to stretch during the practice. Join both your hands in Namaskara Mudra. Now let's begin the practice of Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation. 1. Hasta Uttanasana. Inhale and raise both your hands above your head and give a slight backward bend. 2. Exhale and adopt Padahastasana. Bend slowly from your waist. Catch hold of your big toe with both your hands. Try and touch your forehead to your knees. Do not try and push if you're not able to touch your forehead. Do not overstrain. 3. Eka Pada Sanchalanasana. Inhale and stretch your right leg back. Place your left leg in between both your hands. Look forward. 4. Exhale and adopt Dwi Pada Sanchalanasana. Now stretch your left leg back, the entire body in a plank position like a stick. 5. Shashankasana or rabbit pose. Slowly bend your knees, place your buttocks on your heels, try and touch your forehead to the yoga mat. Completely stretch out your hands. 6. Ashtanga Namaskara. Try and touch your chest, both your palms, knees and toes. 8 parts of your body to the yoga mat. All the other parts should be raised above the ground. 7. Inhale and adopt Urdhva Mukha Shvanasana. Your entire body weight should be balanced on your palms and toes. Lift your knees above the ground. 8. Adho Mukha Svanasana or Parvatasana. Try and position your head in between your hands. Your heels should be touching your yoga mat. 9. Eka Pada Sanchalanasana. Now bring your right leg front. Place it in between both your hands. 10. Padahastasana. Slowly try and catch your big toe with both your hands. Try to touch your forehead to your knees. Bend as much as you can. Do not overstrain. 11. Inhale and take your hands above your head. Give a slight backward bend. 12. Namaskarasana. Round 2. In this round, let's concentrate on the common mistakes we make in every pose and how to avoid them. 1. Inhale and adopt Hasta Uttanasana. Raise both your hands above your head and give a slight backward bend. 2. Exhale and adopt Padahastasana. In this step, try and bend from your waist. Hold on to your big toe with your hands. Try to touch your forehead to your knees. When we bend from our waist, it helps us to touch our toes easily and it won't hurt our back. The common mistake that we do in this pose is we bend from our upper back. When we do so, we will never be able to touch the food. So try and always bend from your waist. A regular practice will gradually help you to reach the final pose of Padahastasana. The second common mistake in this pose is we bend our knees in order to touch our feet. Practicing it with bent knees will not stretch your hamstring and back muscles, so try and avoid bending your knees. Most of us cannot reach the final pose at first instance, but practicing Surya Namaskar every day will surely help you to reach the final pose. The variations of Padahastasana are 1. You can hold your big toe, which is called Pada Angushtasana. 2. You can place your palms on either side of your feet. 3. You can hold your ankles. And after this, try to touch your forehead to your knees. Three. Eka Pada Sanchalanasana. Stretch your right leg back completely with your toes facing outward on the mat. Keep your left foot in between both your palms. The common mistake we do in this pose is we push our buttocks backward. This is a wrong practice. You should push your buttocks front. This is Eka Pada Sanchalanasana. 4. Exhale and adopt Dwi Pada Sanchalanasana. In this pose, we have to balance the entire body weight on our palms and toes. Body should be in a plank position. The common mistake in this pose is we either push our waist down or lift it up. Avoid doing this. Keep your body straight in line with your head and toe. The body should look like a stick. 5. Shashankasana. Bend your knees and place your buttocks on your heels. Try and touch your forehead to the yoga mat. Completely stretch out your hands in front. 6. Inhale and slowly come front and touch the 8 parts of your body. That is chin, chest, both palms, knees and toes. Try and raise the rest of your body above the yoga mat. This is Ashtanga Namaskara. 7. Inhale and adopt Urdhva Mukha Shvanasana. Slowly raise your body from your head, chest and your upper abdomen. Push your buttocks front. Balance your complete body weight on your palms and toes. The common mistake in this pose is we touch our knees to the yoga mat. Try and avoid it. Our knees should be completely raised above the yoga mat. Exhale and adopt Adho Mukha Svanasana. In this pose, raise your waist up, head in between your hands, heels should touch the floor. Common mistake in this pose are we lift our head up. Try and avoid lifting your head. Instead, it should be between your arms facing down. The next mistake is raising your heels. If we cannot touch our heels, slowly try and walk front till your heels completely touch the yoga mat. Don't lift your heels, they should always touch the mat. This is the final pose of Adho Mukha Shvanasana or Padahastasana. 9. Inhale and adopt Eka Pada Sanchalanasana. The confusion we have in this pose is about the leg movement. Remember, it's always right. In third step, the right leg goes back, and in ninth step, the right leg comes front. Place your right foot in between both your palms. Your left leg is stretched backward, toes pointing outward. The upper part of your foot should touch the yoga mat. 10. Exhale and adopt Padahastasana. Hold your toes with your hand or place them on either side of your foot. 11. Inhale and Hasta Uttanasana. 12. Exhale and adopt Namaskarasana. Round 3. In this round, let's concentrate on the right breathing technique because yoga is all about pose with the right breathing. I will instruct you and tell you where you have to inhale and where you have to exhale. 1. Breathe in and Hasta Uttanasana. 2. Breathe out Padahastasana. 3. Breathe in Eka Pada Sanchalanasana. 4. Breathe out Dwi Pada Sanchalanasana. 5. Breathe in and bend your knees. Breathe out and sit on your heels and relax. 6. Breathe in and move front. Exhale and touch the 8 parts of your body. 7. Breathe in Urdhva Mukha Shvanasana. 8. Breathe out Adho Mukha Shvanasana. 9. Breathe in Eka Pada Sanchalanasana. 10. Breathe out Padahastasana. 11. Breathe in Hasta Uttanasana. And 12. Breathe out Namaskarasana. To check how confident we are with this breathing practice, let's do it again. 1. Inhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Inhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Inhale and bend. Exhale and relax. 6. Inhale and move front. Exhale and touch the 8 parts. 7. Inhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Inhale. 10. Exhale. 11. Inhale. And 12. Exhale. Round 4. Let's focus on the names of the asanas. I'm sure you must have learnt it by now. If not, then let's do it in this round. 1. Hasta Uttanasana. 2. Padahastasana. 3. Eka Pada Sanchalanasana. 4. Dwi Pada Sanchalanasana. 5. Shashankasana. 6. Ashtanga Namaskara. 7. Urdhva Mukha Shvanasana. 8. Adho Mukha Svanasana or Padahastasana. 9. Eka Pada Sanchalanasana. 10. Padahastasana. 11. Hasta Uttanasana. And 12. Namaskarasana.
Hope you liked this session. If you have liked this video, then do not forget to like and share it with your friends and families. And also, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post my next video. Thank you.